Kibet.
Zambia is a good team, we understand. They are more athletic, they are more direct-oriented. When you play at the international level, it's a very open situation. You always meet top-class players. So it's a standard practice. So for me as a coach is to develop my team facing Zambia in tomorrow's game. This is something that we have planned for and we are looking forward to have an exciting game tomorrow.
Mafans na wakaribisha tena, nyinyi mnakuanga watu wetu. Naomba mkuje tena na tena, muongezee muite mafans wengine. Juu sisi kama Starlet hatuwezi waangusha. Tuna win hiyo game ya kesho.